Hello students, let us understand what conic sections are. A conic section is a curve in a 2D plane. These curves were initially observed when a plane was used to cut cone in various possible ways. For us to understand how these curves are made, we are going to use a different and more frequently used definition of a conic section. This is defined in this way. So if you take a point in a plane, suppose if I take a point P in a plane, in this plane we take another fixed point called S and a fixed line. Okay, so this can be placed in any way. You just have to have a fixed point and a fixed line. Now, the point is going to move relative to this fixed point and the fixed line. And if you take the ratio of the distance of the point from the fixed point to that from the fixed line, that is going to be a constant. Okay, so if that ratio is maintained as a constant, the curve that we obtain is a conic section. Okay, so what do I mean by that? So if I join the fixed point and the point which is moving, P, I get this distance SP. If I take a perpendicular distance from the point to the fixed line, we get this Pm. The ratio of these two distances, Sp by Pm, is a constant. The letter small e is usually used to represent this constant. Sp by Pm is E. Okay, so let us look at the various terms here. The fixed point S is known as focus. The fixed line is the directrix. Okay, and then if you take this fixed ratio E, this is known as eccentricity of the conic section. Eccentricity, okay, I think that's correct. Okay, and if you take a line passing through the focus and perpendicular to the directrix. Okay, so if you take a line that passes through focus and then perpendicular to the directrix, this line is the axis of the conic section. Okay. In particular, we are interested in three types of conic sections, okay, which are obtained based on various values of E. If the value of E is 1, we get curves which are known as parabolas. If the value of E is less than 1, we get ellipses. And if it is greater than 1, we get curves known as hyperbolas.